Hi everyone, my name is Babajide Dare Fagbola. I'm about to make an argument to support human as a part of the nature. First, I'll go start by the introduction. Human beings, as well as other animals, influence their natural environment to survive. For instance, beavers dam streams can build a dam that is a place to raise their offspring, thus causing a substantial change to the ecosystem. And also, these changes may be natural. Interestingly, the change in the surrounding environment meets its needs. Also, clearing a portion of land for building houses is seen as being unnatural and destructive when it's done for the same purpose. Considering both cases, an initially inhabited area of land was changed to one that suited the purpose of human of animals, as you can see in the picture to the right of the slide. And again, human greatest attribute to survival is the capacity to dwell in any environment. Other animals also have adaptation that help their survival in certain areas. For example, if you look at cheetah, they have an animal speed that helps its hunting skill to catch prey. But these speeds cannot help them to survive when they are in an impenetrable jungle. So if you look also at the sea turtles, they also have fins that make them to be modified or adapted to an aquatic lifestyle, but they have no chances of survival on land. Also, these survival techniques differences boost the growth of human population to grow bigger than other animals, simply because they are vast habitable area for human when compared with other animals. This is as a result of human ability to turn a once inhabitable area of land to an habitable land area. And again, women as a part of a nature and their interconnection comprises bits of philosophy that is related to humankind place in the world. The relationship of human also requires the idea of religion, culture, traditions, and mouth, economic and political system. It will be difficult to imagine human existing outside its environment. The history and evolution of human emanate in the environment, which are its history as I will discuss this in the following, and I will demonstrate human being as part of nature as well as the physical and biological relationship existing between human and nature. So I will start with biodiversity and importance of species. Species. This implies that humans are an inherent of essential part of a function community. Three reasons for preserving biodiversity are: number one, economic; two, environmental; and three, informational. So let me go back to economic. Economic in biodiversity comprises of potential economic utility value for human, given that every species are important serving the need of humans. So the biodiversity is also tied to environmental services such as clean air and water, crop pollination, etc. Biodiversity has built up wisdom of nature, like information and the key to its future. Regards to Taylor P. 2013. Biodiversity and the importance of species. Applications of diversity in real world. Number one will be health and productive ecosystem, and the other one will be aesthetic purpose. That is, can recycle nutrients, protect shorelines, and absorb waste. Another one is impact cardinal ecological process such as production of biomass, vital for production of oxygen for human breath and purification of water, which is by Ross Whipple 2017. And also, biodiversity provide availability of food resources and source of varying nutrition raw materials, that is wood, paper, fuel, and industry. And again, key to understanding health and medicine and protection against diseases, which is by Schuler Lewis in 2015. So, ecocentric ethics, the land ethics. This I will describe the attachment and establishment of human relationship to the land and biotic community therein. Lippert 2013 viewed human as a member of an interdependent community. Land ethics expand the boundaries of the country to consist of soil, plant, water, animals, and generally the land. The land ethics ensures the position of idea of individual responsibility for a healthy land. So let me go to egocentric ethics, the land ethics. The land ethics does not see human as a subjugator of the land, but as a member and citizen of the land and ecosystem, which is by Taylor P. 2013. The real-world application of a land ethic include: 1. Mental concept framework necessary for environmental histories, which can be engaged in planning for effective land use policies for the future, which is by Cowher in 2009. And the other one is the land ethic is a major paradigm for environmental and ethical thinking. So let's go to a biocentric egalitarianism, regarded as respect for nature. This respect should be adopted universally by humans. The biocentric outlook on nature recognizes all living and interdependent. Balance and stability is required to protect the good of the members of the biotic community, and the Earth's biosphere is a unified and complex web of interconnected objects, organisms, and events, which the ecological balance must not be damaged. So, on again, humans should see themselves as having equal inherent worth with members of the herd community by Taylor P. 2013. So, my conclusion now is from all what we have discussed, I can say human beings are a product of a long time natural process of evolution. Humans are notably encapsulated in nature and natural processes which have made human unique, but human cannot be nature by definition. What human need is an attitudinal change towards nature. Confusion should not arise as a result of changing explanation and defining and definition of nature. Ending our alienation with nature involves a real change in our attitude and behavior. And again, human is no doubt a part of nature, and natural as in redwood, sea slug, or grizzly bear. All are made of like biological, that is DNA, protein, cell, etc. As a result of increase in human population, humankind discovered their unique capacity and ability of thinking and creating new things. Since humans are part of nature, that means we cannot harm nature with our unique natural capabilities or special skills while undertaking any project. As mean by any means, human does anything that affects wildlife and the ecosystem, this should be regarded as a natural process because we human are nature in action. This is quoted by Ralph Morgan 20. So these are all my references for this project. So I reference Ralph Morgan 2015, and I also reference Ralph Morgan is People Part of Nature, a journal article, and also Roger Stone, A Woman as a Part of Nature, a journal article available on the website that is provided on the slide. Ross Whipple 2017, A Biodiversity Proof is a real world values journal article review retrieved from the link, the hyperlink provided on the slide also. And again, Taylor PW 2013 with the references underneath. So this would be my arguments. And thanks for listening. I hope you enjoy the slide. And thanks once again. My name is Babajide Fagbola. Have a pleasant day. Bye.